guys, this is Rainbow Girl Andrew Worthy. Welcome back to another video with today. Today I'm gonna show you slime felt. My slime is so sticky. I already showed you yesterday. My slimes have a fluffy. That time it's not fluffy, but this time it's so sticky because I don't play it every day. So I'm gonna show you my slime felt. I'm gonna take it. This is my slime. Just yesterday I already showed you my slime is magenta purple, and I make this in the school, and our ingredients you already know. And if my slime so sticky, I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use this one. It's like a toy or something, but I don't know. Okay, let's open. See guys, so sticky. See this? It's not like so fluffy anymore. I'm gonna try it. I'm not sure to use this. This is gonna make me like this, or gonna open our in the hand if sticky. Okay, let's see. Let's see, guys. It's so sticky. If I do like this, it don't sticky. If yesterday, oh my gosh, yesterday it's not sticky. It's fluffy. But this way, see this, sticky. See this, guys? Oh no, it's sticky on my hand. I'm gonna use this. Open it up. Oh no, it's sticky on the toy. I don't like this slime. See, it's sticky. There. Guys, thanks for watching this video. If you did, smash the like button and subscribe here, and comment below where's your favorite slime yesterday or now. Bye.